Here's the Wikipedia article about Abraham Lincoln in PDF form. This will be more than 50 pages long. And in the old days, I might sit down and read it and maybe print it out and take notes to get the information I want for any research project I'm doing. But let's look at how we can use GPT extract and other GPT functions to streamline that process. So I want to make this into a PDF file, and to do that I would right click anywhere on the page, left click on print, and then for my printer destination I would choose save as PDF. And I've already saved it as a PDF. So let's look at the PDF. So here's the PDF file, lots of pages, and I'm going to press Command A on my Mac. It would be Control A on a PC to select all of the text. And now I can right click anywhere and left click copy. And now let's go back to my web browser. I'm going to stretch this out a little bit. Now I'll go to a new Google Sheet where I have enabled GPT for Sheets and Docs. And I'm going to scroll down quite a bit because, as you'll see, this article is going to paste in a very odd way. So I'm going to click in cell A81 and right click and left click paste, and notice that it pastes in a very odd way. So it pastes. I'm going to go up and click on the text wrapping tool and then click on wrap, and I can stretch out that column a little bit. So here's the text of this article, and it's going to go on forever, and it's very strangely formatted. There's lots of blank cells in between small bits of text, but that's okay. I've got the text of the article into my Google Sheet, and I can start working with it with Google Functions.